Sorry about the wait for this video. Anyway, so here's how to get a channel trailer. I already recorded this, but I can't find the file, so I'm redoing it. Just so you know. Anyway, so we have to click up here on a profile picture, then click your channel like that. So it's up view as subscriber. So this is how subscribers can see it, but we need to make it so if I'm not subscribed, I'm gonna see a video right here. It's my channel trailer. So how to do this? First, we need to click on customize channel right after here, right there, right below our banner. So now it takes us to this page. It's not YouTube Studio, Creator Studio. It looks like this. So you have all of these the things on this bar right there, and then we have this bar right here. This is for returning subscribers and for new visitors. And our channel trailer is only going to appear for people who have never seen your channel before. So click on new visitors. And I already have a trailer, but essentially what you're going to need to do is click add a channel trailer. So I'll just click edit. And then what I'm going to need to do is it goes to a page where I select my video, except I need to have uploaded this video already for this to be a channel trailer. So yeah, then you can go through all your uploads. You need to first upload it before you actually make it a channel trailer. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, before I go, make sure that your video is like no audio for the first 5 seconds because it's gonna start playing automatically, and it's super annoying if you start talking automatically. So yeah, that's what I did, and it's really good. Bye. Thanks for watching.